Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create 4K quality editing on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already imported my video to my Capcut project. And then I'm going to go to the adjustment. We can select adjustment here and choose custom adjustment. Then go to the curves and you're going to follow my adjustment. Okay, you can make the curve like this for all the colors. Okay, done for the adjustment. And then I'm going to apply this adjustment to the whole video and go to the effects menu, select lens and select blur effect. You're going to apply the effect to the whole part of your video, and then we're going to export this video. Okay, done for the exporting, and then we're going to import the video we have just exported. Select import and choose the video, click on open, and I'm going to drag the video to the timeline. Okay, and then we're going to delete the effect and the adjustment. And then we're going to blend this video with the main video. We can go to the basic and then select blend menu and choose color burn. And then we're going to reduce the opacity to 30, around 30. Okay, and then we're going to add this white background. So you need to prepare for this white background before. And then we're going to go to the blending, but wait, let me adjust it. All right, go to the blend menu, and then we're going to choose overlay and reduce it a little bit, around 80. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the main video and we can do desired adjustment. I'm going to go to the adjustment here and I'm going to adjust the saturation. I'm going to increase the saturation and exposure just a little bit, and the contrast and the sharpen, clarity. You can also adjust the HSL if you want. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is for the final result. And wait, let me compare it to my original video. This is the video I have edited. Okay, this is video before editing. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!